Good morning children. Welcome to KR Lankam Memorial CBSE School Mudod. So yesterday we have discussed about even number and odd number. Once again I will repeat it. What are the even numbers? Even number, odd number. The number which is having 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in its ones place, those numbers are called it as even numbers. Okay? Ones, tens, 100, you know the place values. Yes? These are the places. In ones place, so first place from the right, this place, ones place, if it is having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, those numbers are known as even numbers. Don't think about tens, hundreds and all. Just think about ones place. Okay, suppose this is, it is having 0 in ones place, so this is even number. Suppose if it is having 2 here, this is also even number. If it is having 4, 6, 8, that numbers are known as even numbers. You should not think about tens, 100 places. Just you think about ones place. Once again I will repeat. The numbers which are having 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in its ones place, those numbers are called as even numbers. Okay? I will write some examples. 30, yes, this is even number. 74, yes, it is even number. 50, 6, 38, 170, 9,562, 8,708. Just see the ones place. Don't see here all the another places are not having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. But also these are even numbers because ones place are having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So these are known as even numbers. I will write some example here. You just observe. Okay. See, is it even number? No. Because ones place is not having 0, 2, 4, 6. Is it even number? Yes. Because ones place is having 8. Is it even number? Yes. Because ones place is having 0. Is this even number? No. Because ones place is not having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Come to that next. Yes, this is not even number. Yes, this is even. This is even. This is even. This is even. Because they are having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its ones place. Next, go for odd number. Odd numbers. The numbers which are having 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in its ones place, those numbers are known as odd numbers. Are the numbers which are not having 2, 0, 4, 6, 8 in its ones place, those are known as odd number. For example, ones, tens, 100. So just think about ones place. E ones place alli 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. E numbers ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ones place should have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So if it is having these numbers in ones place, those are known as odd numbers. Suppose I'll write here 4, 8, 1. Just you should observe ones place, first place. So it is having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then that is odd number. See here. One hundred, 9, 200, 35, 600, 57. Okay. Now see these numbers. Don't see other place. Just ones place. These are having 5, 3, 7 and 1. So these are known as odd numbers. Which numbers are not having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its ones place? Those are odd numbers. Are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 numbers should be there in ones place. Those are known as odd numbers. Now we will go for quick check. That is page number 198. 198 page number. Quick check. Write the even number that follows. Write the even number that follows. 285, 133, 357, 451, 385, 801, 401, 231, 607, 721, 303, 535. What they told us to do? Write the even number that follows. Okay, just read the numbers loud. All loudly you should read the numbers. Write the even numbers that follows. 285. Follows means what to write? Write the even number that follows. Okay, about this I will explain you tomorrow. Write the even number that follows. Okay, this thing keep it empty. I will explain this tomorrow and I will write the answers. Okay, write the even number that follows means, so after this number which will be the even number that we should write. 285, after this the even number is 286. 133, this is odd number. After this which will be the even number? 357, 58. 451, 452. 385, 386. 801 is the odd number. And then what will be the even number? 802. Then this is 402, 230, 608, 722, 304, 536. These are the answers. You write it in your textbook. Next concept is ascending and descending order. What is ascending order and what is descending order? Already you know about this. Once again I will brush it and then you can get the clear knowledge. Ascending. Ascending means numbers or whatever, it should be from the smallest to the biggest. Ascending, the synonym of ascending is increasing. So how? I will take one example. In UKG, you are this much height. For first standard, you have become this much. Then for second standard, this much. Then now, you are this much. In second standard now, you are this much. So from the birth to now, your height is increased. Yes, we will use the word increase. Yes, so the meaning of increase is from the small to big. Ascending is also the meaning of increasing. Ascending means always you should write the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. Got it? So ascending means writing the numbers from small to big. Yes, like this, small to big. Suppose if I take 1, 2, 3, 4 as an example, which is very small in this, that you should write first. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Compare the numbers, which is small you write first. After this again compare 3 numbers, then which is small, write that one. Then 1 and 2 over. Now compare 3 and 4, 3 is small and last 4. This is ascending. So, it has gone the arrow small to big. What will be the descending? Opposite of ascending. Descending means decreasing. How? What should we should take the example? Okay, decreasing. We'll take, so first just now you have celebrated the Panchami festival. So first day your mummy has made some laddus. First day you counted, there were, for example, 30 laddus in the first day 30 laddu isu. 30 laddu ittu. Second day ni solpa tindri, so ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು 25. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು 20. Then fourth day ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು 10. Okay, and fifth day 5 ಉಳಿತು. So first day ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 30 ಇತ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ 25 ಆಯಿತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಿಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ 20, 10, 5. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದವು 5 ಉಳಿದವು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಭಾಳ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ the descending is nothing but the number value from the highest to the lowest or greatest to the smallest. Ascending is small to big, descending is big to small. So take one example, this only 70, 30, 80, 10, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 examples, numbers I have taken. So what you have to do to write the descending order? Descending means you should think big to small. So first after seeing the question, ascending means small to big ankobeku. Descending andre big to small. So you have to search the biggest, greatest number. So 80, 70, 30, 10, 15. Which is the greatest? 80. Then 70. Then 30. this is about ascending and descending. Ascending means small to big, descending means big to small. So in tomorrow class we will solve the quick check page number 198. If it is possible, you can solve tomorrow. You can compare your answer with my answer. Okay, thank you.